Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and this video comes from Thailand, and I'm in Krabi and I'm about to visit the ANANA Ecological Hotel. This is an award-winning 5-star resort. The awards have been received for its ecological work, and when we entered the hotel we were greeted by the owners, who are very passionate about this hotel and passionate to make their guests stay as best as possible, whilst trying to be sustainable as possible as well. The staff here were really friendly, and the hotel itself was quite beautiful, and it's not particularly expensive to stay here. There are 59 rooms here and it was opened in 2018. Now the hotel itself is plastic free. The coffee in the rooms is fair trade coffee. There is no waste here, and it's farm to table in the dining room. There is a volcanic pool here and Himalayan salt grotto, whatever that is, I don't know. And this beautiful reception here, really nice, with the light shining through from the outside to the inside, and the plants growing over the front there, and a carbon neutral shuttle bus which will take you down to the beach, which is a little way from here, but this shuttle bus runs quite frequently throughout the day, and these beautiful gardens, and here is the pool. You can book a room here for around about £40 per night, which is great value for money, and in actual fact you can book here a full board room for around about £100 per night. And there are 6 different room categories here, and we stayed in a spa suite, which we'll show you a little later on. And the trees here are beautiful, and there is fruit growing in the trees, all part of the farm to table concept at this hotel. And this is a Green Globe certified hotel. We'll show you a slide in a moment of the 6 different room types. The premium room here being the pool access suite, which is 68 square meters. And you can get that for as little as £60 per night, or you could upgrade to full board and get that for around about £115 per night, based on the prices in 2026 for a night in July. Didn't get to see the restaurant here as we had a fairly late night out, but we did get to enjoy the other facilities. And we're now going to have a look into the room we stayed in, which was a spa suite room. And this was my friend's room who I was with. I'm going to have a look into my room now. That was for 10. The views there, magnificent. The limestone mountains in Krabi. And the other side is the beaches, which are beautiful as well. And into this room we look. Beautiful lighting. Nice bath. Not sure how I feel about it being stuck in the middle of the bedroom. TV, sofa, little work area there, and Beautiful views from the balcony here at the back. There is a bathroom as well. It's not just a bath. Somewhere there to dry your swim shorts and to hang your towel. And the farm area there for the farm to table concept. And a nice seating area, nice and comfortable. And back into the room we go. I like the fact that not only does it have the bed, but it has the settee as well. And of course, a TV. And into the bathroom we go. Nice marbled bathroom, shower, toilet. A really nice setup. I'm sure you agree. And that's about it from this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll see you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell and comment below. Ta-ra!